Hi everyone, respected teachers of SSV tutorials and my dear friends. First of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Shastri sir for providing me an opportunity to speak on my coaching career in SSV tutorials. I would also like to thank CPR ma'am for inviting me to do a video on my experiences in SSV tutorials. I'm Dr. Manjunath. I'm a pediatrician and I'm doing my secondary DNB from St. Philomena's Hospital. I passed out of MESKK schooling and MESKK PU College. Further, I did my MBBS from Hassan Institute of Medical Science. I did my diploma in child health from Devarajas Medical College, that is in Kolar. I was a student of SSV tutorials for the first year POC and the second year POC from 2007 to 2009. As is usual, I had given my entrance examinations for SSV tutorials and I stood 16th. I entered into PCMB plus AEEE batch uh, mainly because of my mother's persuasion to go for AEEE and PCMB coaching, which would be better to choose an option between engineering and to become a doctor or to become a doctor. Basically, at the backside of my mind, I just wanted to become a doctor, and engineering was out of my thoughts. During the course of my education at SSV tutorials, one thing which was said at the beginning of my course was this was said by Shastri sir: 16 hours of every day will fetch you a very good result at the end of 2 years, and there will be a very good professional career for your life. These 16 years per day into 2 years is the one which has brought me till this stage of my life, where I have been able to do my MBBS, DCH, presently doing my secondary DNB, and I still have further plans of doing my DM, neonatology. The message that I would like to give to all my juniors is very simple: attend all classes, attend all examinations, don't think of failures. Failure is always a stepping stone for success. And one of our greatest children of Indian society, that is APJ Abdul Kalam, has told something very important. Never aim for small things, aim for bigger things. Then only you'll have a path to follow, and your goals and achievements will bring you fruitful life ahead. He has also told an important thing: you'll have to dream big so that your dreams can come true with your hard work. Dreaming big, hard work, and the most important thing is you should do smart work. So three things which I tell you is: dream big, quality education, and quality input. You should have quantity input also. As told by Shastri sir, you will have to put in 16 hours a day into 2 years so that your PUC results will be very good, and your CT ranking will be in such a way that you will be choosing a very good career for your life. Coming to my interactions with all my respected teachers at SSV tutorials, it was very good. All the teachers are student friendly, approachable. Whatever doubts are there, they will clear you your doubts, and if at all there is a need for improvement in your studies, that will also be told by your teachers. So have be faithful towards your teachers, faithful towards your studies, which will really bring you up in your career. Finally, there is always a tag attached to your life after passing out of SSV. That is, you are a student of SSV tutorials, or most commonly known as Shastri tutorials. That is a brand name. You will have to carry it for your life. I feel very proud to carry that brand name throughout my career life till the end of my life. I hope all your students, all my juniors who are studying in SSV tutorials, will have the same attitude towards carrying the brand name, carrying the legacy of SSV tutorials, and taking it to very good heights from where everyone will be so much, what you can say, everyone will be very grateful towards this superb institute. Finally, I would like to thank again, I would like to thank Shastri sir and CPR ma'am for providing me this opportunity to speak my mindful and thoughtful words about my course and 2 years of SSV tutorials. Thank you.